Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. Look, let's have a conversation we've had before. I remember last year, the June transfer window on this channel, Sipho Mbule was a free agent after being released by Mamelodi Sundowns. And I made a video asking if should we go for Sipho Mbule. Some said yes, some said no. Sipho Mbule is officially a free agent once again after being released by Orlando Pirates. Now, should we go for him? He's available yet again. We have another chance to sign Sipho Mbule for free. Let me know in the comment section. Mine here is if Sipho Mbule was released because of on-field issues. If it's not off-field issues, we know he's not an angel. He's made mistakes before. He's been suspended here and there. Things didn't go well at Sundowns because of his off-field issues, Cuckoo and off-field issues. So if at Orlando Pirates he wasn't released because of off-field issues, this is a signing I'd jump on. I'd sign Sipho Mbule any day. I think on his day, when Sipho Mbule is playing football, he's the most naturally gifted midfielder in this country. Absolutely no doubt about that. This guy played only 3 months at Orlando Pirates. He got back to the national team. He played a very huge role in us qualifying for the World Cup. And also, he's a good player, man. He's an absolutely amazing player. My favorite player in the league. So maybe I'm being a bit ignorant. I'm being blinded by my love for him. But man, just think about it. Sipho Mbule adds confidence to that midfield. If you are a midfielder playing with a player like Sipho Mbule, you are confident because he's that type of player whom, when you don't know what to do with the ball, when you're under pressure and he has 2 men behind him, you can give him the ball. He'll make a plan. So I think he'd add something very, very special in that midfield. He'll add arrogance, flair, So I don't know. Still 28 years of age. I refuse to believe Sipho Mbule is finished. I refuse to believe Sipho Mbule is not good enough to play for Kaizer Chiefs. If you're coming with off-field issues, cool. Yeah, cool. I hear you. But if you're telling me there's any midfielder at Kaizer Chiefs who's more talented than Sipho Mbule, then mate, I don't know what kind of football you are watching. I don't know what you are watching. Yes, it's okay not to want him because of and I'm hearing some of you saying, oh, he called us Lamchuchu, say this and that. Bro, don't take it that personal. Come on, man. It's business. And he didn't mention Kaizer Chiefs in that statement. So I ain't even interested in that. I really don't give a shit about all that, So for me, I think if he wasn't released because of off-field issues, bring me Sipho Mbule. Give me Sipho Mbule with Lewang Mabu in that midfield. Chabo Cele as an option. Spacey Ndlovu as an option. Just look at those options. With Cook. But let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. I'm very interested to know your thoughts on this one. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. Should we go for Sipho Mbule? I'm out.